definition. First, this is elephant. Then, second, this is turtle. Third, lion. Fourth, wolf. And the last is monkeys. Today, I'm gonna tell you there is a food chain about this. First, a tree here and here was eaten by an elephant. Elephant was eaten by a wolf. Then wolf was eaten by a tiger. Then if they all die, who is the third animals was decomposer. Decomposer is like a bacteria like worm, then bugs, fly, and even a cockroach. Then thank you for listening my explanation.